I'm Neha and you're watching Language Ladder. In today's video, we're going to look at one of the most challenging situations that people face while talking in English. That is when they want to say, I don't understand. There are times in meetings, presentations, job interviews, interaction with clients, or general telephonic conversations when we do not understand what the other person has just said. And we wonder, how do we tell them, I didn't understand, without offending them or without coming across as someone who was not paying attention. Now, such situations can lead to anxiety, nervousness, embarrassment, and can damage our confidence in the long run. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 very helpful expressions that you can use to say, I don't understand, without using these 3 words. Besides that, I'm going to share with you some pronunciation tips that will help you sound natural while you speak in English. So let's get started. Expression number 1. I didn't catch everything you said. Could you repeat the first point again? I didn't catch everything you said. Could you repeat the first point again? Now notice, could and you are spoken together and quickly, and they sound like could you. Could you repeat the first point again? Expression number 2. I want to ensure that I understood you perfectly. So could you repeat that one more time? Notice perfectly, the stress is on perfectly. I want to ensure that I understood you perfectly. Could you repeat that one more time? Expression number 3. I'm not sure I understood everything you said. Would you mind saying that again? I'm not sure I understood everything you said. Would you mind saying that again? Now notice I and am are spoken together and it sounds I'm not sure I understood everything you said. Now when you use this kind of language, you are telling them I don't understand without using these 3 words. Now if you look at these expressions closely, you will notice that they convey the message that I understood most of what you said. However, I want to make sure that I understood you completely, accurately, and perfectly. Now let's look at some idiomatic expression that you can use to convey the same message. You can use such expressions with people you know very well. It could be a co-worker that you work very closely with, or it could be your friend. So idiom number 1. I think our wires are crossed. Could you guess what this idiom means? It means to fail to understand what the other person has said, or there is some confusion in what is being said and what is being understood. I think our wires are crossed. Idiom number 2. Word salad. Word salad. Now you can use this idiom with someone you know really well, a co-worker that you work closely with, or a friend. Word salad. Now let's look at an example of this expression in our own sentence. What you just said was total word salad. Could you say that again, please? Word salad. Hope you found this video useful. Please do not go away without pressing the like button, and if you are new here, then consider subscribing and press the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. So that's all for now. See you again.